Hey guys, what's going on? I am Fahim MD, a UX designer with over 10 years of experience, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye now. I'm just joking. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video again. If you haven't already, just take a minute, not even a minute, just take 1 second and like this video. And if you have not, please subscribe, click on the bell icon and like the video. It only takes a second. So today I have a very busy day. So I have two companies. This is how I messed up, okay? I got two companies and they want to invest their ads on my site, Zaboom.com. And I was so excited that what I started doing, before this deal happened, was I started DMing all the businesses Instagram channel, because nowadays business deals happen on the DM, like your boy Gary Vee said.
Hustling 24/7 on the Instagram DM. It is the 2017 opportunity.
Okay, so I did that, and then I reached out to a couple of people, and I just didn't send people random DMs. I just saw the ones that interact with my Instagram channel. That's the smart way of doing it, so therefore it's not considered spam. So I did that, and I found two companies who are interested, and and they've been waiting on me for over a week now, so it's just very terrible. Never do that. If you're a businessman or you got a site where you want to make money off or do some sort of a service service trades, I guess. Like I put my site on your site, you put your site on my site, kind of thing. Never delay this thing. Never ever delay, because clients can always change your mind. There's always a better site than yours. There's always someone who's willing to cut the deal as soon as possible and provide a better deal as soon as possible. So I'm messing up on that right now, and I need to reply back to those emails, and I need to figure out how I'm gonna do this, because these two companies are willing to put their ads on my site at the same time. So I have to somehow figure out a good strategy to make this possible. Yeah. Also, I'm currently uploading my video on Facebook right now. As you can see, this is the previous video. I hope you guys seen it. It pretty much talks about the redesign that's going to happen for our site, Zaboom.com, and I'll be using Adobe XD for that. I'm going to show you the entire process in my videos here on YouTube or Facebook, whichever platform you're on. I have a question for you guys. Listen to me carefully here, okay? Oh no, it's too much. This is way too much. There we go. As a designer, what tool are you using right now? For me, I used to use Photoshop, and I've used Photoshop for 20 years, and I'm moving away from it because for the last 8 months, I've been using Adobe XD, and I feel like it's a lot better because first, when you click on the icon, it does not load long. Photoshop is known for that. Number two, write essential tools to design, and there are so many shortcuts which makes your life easier, you work even faster. Number three, I would say the prototype tool, it's just right there, even though I'm still using InVision. So the good thing about the Adobe XD's prototype tool is you can use voice, you can create links better, like link one page or one element to another. I like that, and it's also easy to view it from your mobile. The thing that I don't like is need an iPhone. Like you need an iOS device in order to view the mobile, and I don't have iPhone. I'm a Samsung guy. Nothing's wrong with iPhone, it's just that I'm a Samsung guy. So therefore, I know that part sucks. However, I feel like they're fixing that. I did send them a tweet about it. Maybe that can help. I don't know. Yeah, so let me know what tool you were using. No, actually, yeah, how about this? Let me know what tool you were using for your design and the tool that you're using right now. So for me, like I said, it's Adobe XD. So what are you using? Comment below and let me know. If you're watching this on Facebook, comment below, or on YouTube, yeah, comment below. And while you're about to comment right there, buddy, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click on your best friend. Your best friend's name is the bell icon. See the snow? Look at that snow, guys. Woo, boy. Amazing snow. I love this kind of snow is amazing, man. I love it. It's not those icy ones. It's also like sticky, so you can make it into a snowball and have a fight. I do want to put it into my camera because I don't know if it's waterproof or not. But yo, this is amazing. Okay, so I ordered food at this place, and I'm gonna go grab it. Should be done by now, and then head home. You know, take a nice shower and edit this vlog. Whew, it's kind of cold though, but not too cold. I don't have winter tires right now, and the only time I was available to book an appointment for it is in December 10th. So until then, fingers crossed. Okay, go. By the way, this is my new home office. Moved to another room. So much better, so much bigger. Love the walls, love it. This is a new desk. Let me just do my farewell this way. Bang, look at that. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right now. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, give it an awesome thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Every time I upload, you'll be notified. And if you're in Facebook, just like my page and click on the notification icon. Yeah, so you'll be updated as well every time I make an upload. So I want to try these two things out, Facebook and YouTube. See, you know, whatever works. Yeah, so thank you. More videos will be on its way in terms of UX design. I promise you guys that. And it will be a lot with Adobe XD. Yes, that is all.